Tesla's Cybertruck tooling has officially begun at Gigafactory Texas, with production set to begin within the next year. Tesla released its Q3 2022 Shareholder Deck shortly after market close on Wednesday, and the Cybertruck was listed as tooling rather than in development as it was last quarter. The Cybertruck is set to begin production at Gigafactory Texas next year, following 2 delays caused by supply chain disruptions and parts shortages. Tesla was also working on finalizing the design, which CEO Elon Musk announced earlier this year was completed. Welcome to Tech Heaven, and in this video we'll take a look at Tesla's Cybertruck tooling that officially begins at Gigafactory Texas. It's no secret that Tesla has been hard hit by supply chain disruptions, as Elon Musk announced earlier this year that the company would delay the launch of any new products in 2022. However, the company has remained resilient and continues to plan to deliver the Tesla Semi to PepsiCo in December. Tesla appears to be more than ready to begin preparing for the early manufacturing stages of the electric pickup after revising the Cybertruck's expected production date earlier this year to mid-2023. Tesla will reportedly use an IDRA 9,000-ton Giga press for the Cybertruck, which is expected to arrive in the United States on October the 7th in Houston, Texas. Furthermore, Tesla was reportedly preparing to receive several new production systems for the Cybertruck from German manufacturers. We reported last week that Tesla's Cybertruck builds were spotted under wraps outside Gigafactory Texas, adding to the belief that Tesla is nearing the start of manufacturing. These builds were most likely test units designed to evaluate manufacturing efficiency and accuracy thus far. They did, however, ship from Fremont, where Cybertruck prototypes have been spotted on production lines. Tesla is also preparing to begin stockpiling Cybertruck battery packs, which will be manufactured initially at the Fremont factory. The Cybertruck battery pack lines are being installed on Fremont's second floor, with Tesla soon approaching potential testing phases. For the third quarter, Tesla reported total revenues of $21.454 billion and a gross profit of $5.382 billion. The company also reported non-GAAP earnings per share of $1.05. By the way, if you're watching us for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can enjoy our future videos while getting updated. Getting back to the topic, IDRA Group has completed and tested the 9,000-ton Giga press that will be used to construct Tesla's Cybertruck. IDRA released a video detailing the massive machine's assembly in May. According to the company, it is the first to build these large machines for markets such as the automotive industry. It also manufactures the world's largest machines, the most recent of which will be used by Tesla in the production of the Cybertruck. On Twitter, Alex Tourville stated that Tesla is already anticipating the machine's arrival at Giga Texas. The machine left Italy in September and arrived on September the 28th in Houston, Texas. Alex noted that there are 54 pieces totaling 77,526 kilograms. IDRA claimed to be the first to receive production orders for 9,000-ton machines suitable for small truck and SUV markets. It stated that while these projects seemed impossible at the time, IDRA is now able to provide fairly standard delivery times to gigapresses, producing more die-casting machines to produce more vehicles, leveraging IDRA know-how to provide the market with the right product at the right time, and thus striving to make our presses increasingly smart. We strive to provide the user with the ability to respond to an increasingly competitive and technological product requirement, IDRA wrote in the video description on YouTube. IDRA shared a photo of its new Tesla Model Y in September, noting that it was time for a change. IDRA products were used to construct the Model Y. The Gigapress removes half of the Model Y's frame, allowing Tesla to design the chassis from only 2 pieces rather than many. A Tesla Cybertruck prototype was spotted on the assembly lines at the company's Fremont, California plant. Fremont is Tesla's only operational manufacturing facility in the United States, as Giga Texas is currently under construction. Interestingly, the Cybertruck is not expected to be built at the Fremont plant because Tesla plans to build the pickup at the Texas plant next year. A Reddit post, however, showed the Cybertruck near bare chassis in the Fremont plant. Other cars are clearly being built in the same area as the Cybertruck, so it's possible that Tesla was building an additional prototype for unknown reasons. Four workers are also seen admiring the company's first attempt at a pickup truck in the photograph, which could have been their first sighting of the intriguingly designed Cybertruck. The Cybertruck was unveiled by Tesla in November 2019 at an event in Hawthorne, California. The truck has been seen several times in public since the incident. Elon Musk took it to a Los Angeles restaurant with friends once. And again when Musk and former late-night TV show host Jay Leno were filming a segment for MSNBC's Jay Leno's Garage. The Cybertruck also made an appearance at the Peterson Automotive Museum earlier this year, where Tesla delivered the vehicle for a week-long stay. The Cybertruck is set to go into production late next year, and it's worth noting that Tesla would take this time to build another prototype if that's what's going on in the future. While it is possible that this is one of the previously produced prototypes of the Cybertruck by Tesla, it would be interesting to know why the vehicle is so close to production lines. Typically, production lines at automotive facilities are tight and not very spacious. So parking a prototype, especially one the size of the Cybertruck, so close to the cars being built would not make sense. The production of battery cells and cell packs has yet to begin at Tesla's new plant, which is located just outside Austin. Earlier this year, Tesla applied to build a battery and cathode manufacturing building at Gigafactory Texas. And while the project has begun, it is unlikely to be ready in time for the Cybertruck's expected launch in mid-2023. Tesla is preparing for Cybertruck manufacturing by building the battery packs at an already operational plant, which has a large order log with over 1 million total reservations. The Fremont facility, the only Tesla plant that produces all four vehicles the company produces, was ultimately chosen to kick off Cybertruck pack production. The Cybertruck packs will be manufactured on the second-floor manufacturing line that Tesla filed for in August. Tesla will use the 4680 battery cells manufactured at the Cato Road facility or another previously used cell design manufactured at Gigafactory, Nevada to build modules and packs on the new Fremont battery line. The line is currently being completed on-site by construction crews who are making daily progress. Tesla engineers are also installing automation equipment to manufacture the Cybertruck battery packs. Tesla is also working hard to begin Cybertruck pack production as time is of the essence. Tesla has a fleet of vehicles known as carriers that transport batteries throughout the facility. As cell and battery pack manufacturing ramps up, the company recently ordered around 300 new carriers for the factory. According to the sources, the Cybertruck battery pack line is also being tested with Tesla's automation equipment. Tesla is working quickly to ramp up the line, as Cybertruck vehicle production is scheduled for next year at Gigafactory Texas. The Cybertruck will be built at Tesla's Gigafactory Texas. Tesla has repeatedly delayed initial production since unveiling the all-electric pickup in 2019 due to supply chain issues and other challenges. In 2022, the supply chain will continue to be the fundamental limiter of output across all factories, Musk said in January during Tesla's Q4 and 2021 full-year earnings call. So while the chip shortage is better than last year, it remains an issue, and yes, there are numerous supply chain challenges. Musk went on to say the challenges would cause any new products to be released in 2022 to be delayed. However, we will do a lot of engineering and tooling to create those vehicles, Cybertruck, Semi, Roadster, Optimus, and be ready to bring those to production hopefully next year. That is the most likely scenario. And with that being said, it's time to end our video, but before that we'd like to know whether you're excited for the upcoming Cybertruck. Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.